Hello students, welcome to Showed Sir classes. So in this particular video we'll be solving the question from the ISI admission test for MTech programs of 2022. So this is question number 7. It is given that for all x belongs to R, let Px be this x to the power d summation of I equal to 0 to d minus 1 ai x of I, and Qx is given x to the power d plus summation of I equal to 0 to d minus 1 bi x of I. So where d is greater than equal to 1 and a0 to ad minus 1 and b0 to bd minus 1 all belongs to this real space. Suppose that we have been given that n is greater than equal to d and x1 to xn are the distinct real numbers. So let's see a pq be this number of elements in this set x1, where p of x1 is not equal to the q of x, right? This xi, okay. So then we have to find which of the following condition ensures that P and Q are identical, right? So let us take Rx, which is nothing but Px minus Qx, right? So then the degree of this R, it should be less than d minus 1, right? So then we have this C is equal to the C of PQ, C comma PQ. We have this xi, where R of xi is not equal to 0, because we have been given the relation P is not equal to Q. So R of xi is not equal to 0, right? So there are then almost this d minus 1 zeros, right, for R of xi, right? So if we put this in this, so if we write this in this manner, this mod of C PQ is equal to n minus, there is a zeros of R in the sequence that we have been given, that x1 up to xn, right? So this is C of PQ, that is given number of elements. So we can write this is, obviously it will be greater than, okay, n minus. So we have this, it will be greater than, obviously it will be greater than n minus d minus 1, which is equal to n minus d plus 1. So we have been given the question, which of the following conditions ensures that P and Q are identical. So here we find that for this condition where n minus d equal to 1, but in the option you can see this none over there. So the C of the thing is that C of PQ should be greater than equal to this n minus d plus 1, right? So since the option it is given, so in the option it is none of the above, so that is the correct option, option D.